Here's how you can see which assignments you have to do, when they're due, and if they're late, what grade you got on it, if I left you any messages, and so on. So if you're on the Canvas homepage, you go to Grades, and it will list all the assignments and when they're due. If I've left you a message, you'll see these little speaker boxes here that tells you I've left you a little message. It tells you what score that you achieved and what was the assignment out of. Now these are all samples, so yours is hopefully going to look a little different. And if you want to click on that assignment, it's highlighted in red. You can click on it and it brings you straight to the assignment where you can submit it. If you want to view the assignment, then you'll probably have to go back to home. Sorry, I thought that that would take you to the assignment. And you would need to go to, you can look up modules and find that assignment in the modules. If it's the first one listed, most likely it's probably from one of the first modules, and there it is, Letter to Mrs. McCarter. And then you can scroll down. These are the other assignments from week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, and now I've got week 5 up there. If it's an assignment that you need to do something, it'll have a little, the icon will be of a piece of paper with a little pencil. If it's just a page that doesn't require you to do any work for it, it's just giving you information, it'll look just like a piece of paper. If you hover over it too, it'll say assignment page. And then the one at the bottom here with the little rocket, that's a quiz. So if you have to take a quiz, that'll be, it'll have the little rocket there. So hopefully that's helpful to get you started with finding your assignments. So once again, you go to Grades and you check out which assignments that you need to do. And if they are completed, it will have a grade here. I hope that helps.